Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you how to design another burger flyers. Now I'll be dragging the burger I need for these flyers inside. It's still loading. Once it's load, the next for me is to reduce it. After reducing it, I have to create the background color I want. Now I create my background for myself from the scratch. Just follow all these steps. Now I prefer to use blue, sky blue, light blue. I'm not using a deep blue. I'm not using a solid blue. I'm using a light blue. Now I want the center of it to be white, which I'll be using gradient, which I'll be changing it to white. Instead of this green, I'll change this green to white. I'll change it to white. And I'll delete this little green that is still showing. Now I have to centralize it. Can you see? I'm okay like this. I'm okay like this. But I just want to add a little bit effect to it. I'll duplicate the burger. I'll duplicate it, which is Ctrl J. Then I'll close the main one I want. Why this one? I will increase it a little bit because I want to add it to the background. I want to make it as an effect to the background. Now I'll change it to. Let me change it to black and white first. Black and white. You can use the shortcut if you know the shortcut. Now I've changed it to black. Now I have to blur it a little bit. I don't need it to be full sharp. I just want to use it as an effect on the background. Can you see now? I have to change it to maybe overlay, screen, light, anyhow. But let me change it to overlay. Can you see the effect? It's adding a little bit. Maturity to the background. I'm okay like this. Can you see now? Now I have to take it to the back of the main one, which is the original one. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me convert this to small objects. To smart objects. Sorry. Next for me is to write the burger. I'll just check the font and I'll write burger. If you are new on this channel, remember to click the subscribe button. If you find this video interesting to you, make sure you click the like button and also the notification button. Make sure you drop comments for these videos, and if you need any resources, let me know. I'll send it to you. Just drop a comment and I'll send you the video. Now I'm trying to write the burger. Now there is a little space in between, which I will be closing the space also. Some people, you can leave it to your taste. Just do things to your own taste and to client's taste and to what people will see. I do things to my own taste. What I know that is 100% okay with me, I know my clients will never reject it. That's it. That's one of the assurance I have. Once the work is okay to me, I understand, and my client will also understand it. Can you see I'm duplicating it? Now I have to merge everything together. Ctrl E, then bring it down. I just have to slant it a little bit. Now I love slanting a little bit, like coming in form of italics. I love that. Now increase it a little bit. And I'll leave it. If you see, I'm using a light color text. I'm not using a solid color text. These are things you have to know in process of design. Anything you are designing, you have to know how to manage and how to use color combination. Now I want to clean this part a little bit. I'm still cleaning a little bit. Why is not cleaning like the way you are using it? Is because I already reduced the opacity. Now I've reduced the opacity. Now let me change it to overlay. Because I don't want to carry white again. I want to carry like blue. I think this is okay for me. This is okay. Please, if you are new on this channel, remember to click the subscribe button. So important, so that You will be notified anytime I drop any new video. And also remember to click the like button. This is so important so that YouTube will recommend this video to others. And if you have any video you want me to do tutorial on, let me know. I will do that and I will send it, and I will drop it, and you all will benefit from it. Thanks so much. Let's continue as we continue this. I still have a lot to do. Just take your time, make sure you watch to the end. This is another advantage, another favor you can do for yourself. If you are watching tutorials, do not watch half or few seconds in. Make sure you watch to the end. Because some people just be like, hey, I get it, I should be able to achieve this. Always watch to the end. Always watch to this tutorial we are giving out, or that we are showing you guys. We want you to learn from the beginning to scratch. There are some there are some techniques we use, and that it is until you watch to the end. Like now, I will add a little bit of rashes, let me say rashes or noise to it, a little bit of texture effect to it, but I'm not doing it at the beginning, I'm doing it at the end. These are the advantage of what you okay. Now this is okay. Let me just type in the burger again so that people can see clearly. These are things you have to get right. I've typed the one for concept, and I need to retype it again, which is burger party. I don't know if you guys what I'm saying. You don't have to be creative. Most of my image, and I just remember some things, because some people will be like, how did I get most of my image? I get image online from free pics, from Pinterest and all that websites. I get all my, and I leverage on those resources, and I create amazing and good content out of it. You know, as a graphic designer, we have to create visual communication, we have to tell stories about our design, our works. Now, I feel it is a burger party, which the drinks have to be free. I'll be putting free drinks. I'll just type free drinks, which means they are not paying for anything. It is free. It is a burger party. I'll just try to design it, customize it. These are things you have to know. These are techniques you have to know how to arrange colors, know how to balance, know how to finish your work. These are scopes of graphics. These are scope of designs. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop the comment so that we treat it together. And if you need anything, maybe software, I'll send you the links of those softwares. If you need anything, just ask, drop the comment. My WhatsApp number is also on it. Can you see now? Sorry, let me try to explain what I did now. I duplicate it, and I'm trying to add it as an effect to it. I duplicate the burger, and I'm shifting it to the right and left, and to add a little bit effect to it. That's all I just did it. I just feel like I don't want it to be just ordinary, the burger at the center. I just want to add a little bit effect to it. The ingredient, the burger has this with the. Now I'm trying to customize the free drinks. Now I'm trying to customize where I'm putting the free drinks so that it should be okay. Now I have to change the color. These are things you have to know. Now I can't use the same color. I can't use the light color. I'm using the light background. I can't use the light color. I have to use the solid background, solid color, solid text, or the light background. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. If you don't understand, just let me know. If you need any assistance in any area, let me know. And feel free to tell and to teach. I'm easily to coach. I can coach you. If you need an extra class, let me know. Can you see the result now? We are almost done. If you get to this part, you are done with it, and you can work for any brand. Now I feel like I want this background to have a little bit texture. This is what I'm add noise, convert to smart objects. Can you see? I'm adding it to it. Can you see the effect now? Can you see the effect? I feel like let me add it to this solid part also. Let me add it to that solid part. Now it's like a little bit more. Let me reduce it. I think this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Let me zoom in to check. Can you see it's separating from the image? It is just the background that I had effect to. Like now, I feel let me add it to the image also, which is the burger. Let me add it to it and let me see the effect. Let me see the effect. Can you see? It make it more look more real. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Thanks so much. See you in another video.